JWST turned its cameras onto our neighbor galaxy and photographed a stunning star-forming region. The Large Magellanic Cloud is a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way located just around 158,200 light-years away from us. It's one of the few galaxies visible from Earth with the unaided eye, but only in the southern hemisphere. The brightest star-forming region you can see in our cosmic backyard, the Tarantula Nebula, is located within this galaxy, and what we're looking at right now is sort of a younger sibling to it. N79 spans about 1,630 light-years, and it's a very efficient and productive star-forming region, even more so than the Tarantula Nebula. This photo was taken by MIRI in mid-infrared, and those wavelengths of light highlight gas and dust. You can see the filters this image was processed with here. Red is longer wavelengths of light, while blue is shorter wavelengths of light. One reason this area is of interest to astronomers is that the Milky Way once produced stars at a rate similar to this molecular cloud complex, but it doesn't anymore. The chemical composition of the Milky Way is also different than the Large Magellanic Cloud. Studying this area of N79 gives scientists a chance to look at what our galaxy and other galaxies might have been like in the early universe. This image we're seeing here is a cropped version. But here is the wider view of the image. To me, this is even more stunning than the closer-in version. One key feature of this image is the diffraction spikes you can see on the star in the center of the image. Diffraction spikes occur because of the orientation of JWST's honeycomb-shaped primary mirror. You can see more on this in my in-depth video on the ins and outs of JWST's distinctive diffraction spikes. But what I find really interesting isn't the main star, it's this other little star at the bottom right of the image. You can actually see the reflection of JWST's honeycomb-shaped primary mirror surrounding the star. Some artifacts from telescopes can detract from an image, but I think it's pretty cool to be reminded sometimes how these images are taken and just everything that goes into them.